All right, I'm doing a short video on cutting these valve seats. This is my 8BA flathead for my 52. Get your valve, your cutters. These are carbide cutters. You got your 60-degree angle, your 45, and your 15. So first thing is, how do you set this up? You put the cutter in here, but there's nothing to keep it stable. So there's nothing as far as tooling that I saw on the internet. So I made my own. This is out of 12L14 steel. I cut this to fit in the hole where the guide goes, and then this small part right here fits in the lifter bore, so it keeps everything pretty stable. So this slides in here, locks down inside. You got your pilot. Put your pilot in. Make sure that's down and tight. It's not going anywhere. Start with your 60-degree cutter. These valve seats are in really good condition. I just need to clean them up a little bit. They're already hardened seats, so they don't need to be replaced. I've already done these. So I'm just cleaning this up, and then I'll show you how the valve seats on the face. You put your cutter in there, and you don't want to go crazy. Just want to put this in here, and you're going to feel a nice cutting. I'm just putting a little 60-degree in at the bottom of the seat. And that's it right there. So you'll see how I clean that up. Brush the debris out. And I'm going to go in with my next cut. Now, some people do the 10 next, some will do the 45, whatever. It doesn't matter to me. All that matters is that the valve seats properly. That's all I care about. So I'm going to go in with the 45 next. This is going to be my valve face seat. You see it's cutting nice and smooth. You don't have to go crazy. Not a lot of pressure. Always clean your cutters when you're using them. Brush this out. You see it's already cutting a really nice seat. So I'm going to go in with the 10, and that's going to take it off the tip of the valve. And this is also your 3-angle cut. You can see material starting to come off right here. Nothing jagged happening, nice and smooth. Clean that off. So now we're going to remove the pilot, clean all this off. Take the pilot out. We're going to brush all this debris out of here, down in the lifter bore. Make sure nothing's on the seat. The hatchet squirrel must be by the window, so Jesse's going nuts. We're going to put our tool back down in here, seat it, and then I take a marker on the face of the valve, and all I'm doing is I'm marking the face of the valve so I have a reference, because I want to see exactly where the seat's going to land on the valve. I use a marker because it cleans off nice, and the compound will sometimes impregnate the seat, the valve. I don't want any of that, so I'm going to put the valve down in here. I'm going to take our antique valve tool, and we're going to spin it. pull the valve out and let's see where we're at. So now looking at this is my 60-degree cut, my 45, my 15, and I'm off the edge of the valve. I've got a nice seat right on the face going all the way around. So that one's done. Put your pilot in, retrieve your tool. Come in with a little bit of mineral spirits or thinner or whatever, clean that off. And that's it. You got a nice 3-angle cut on here. That's it. That's all that's to it. Thanks for watching.